Oh no, not again. The starter relay is loose. So the rubber support holder for the starter relay is broken again. Look at that. I replaced the old one with this new one in 2019. So the rubber falls apart after 32 months. Obviously, the rubber they used is not durable at all. The old one lasted over 10 years. Anyways, the starter relay needs some sort of support. I cannot let the relay flapping around while driving. So my idea is to use an old tire tube to build a new support. The rubber is durable, the tube is over 10 years old, and it provides a certain degree of shock dampening. Next to this, I plan to use a zip tie to fix it in place. An easy way to build the support might be just to cut the stripe from the tube. Okay, let's cut it roughly to the same width of the broken support. The rubber strip needs to wrap all around the relay and the frame holder. Let's see. Okay, the length is sufficient. I can cut the ring open. I also need a buffer plate of rubber. I will cut it from the oversized strip. The rubber plate will sit between the back side of the relay and the front side of the frame holder. But hey, let's have a look on a schematic view of how it is planned. The holder is fixed to the frame of the PX. The relay needs to be supported by the holder. Between the two, a rubber plate will dampen mechanical shocks, which could damage the relay. A rubber band wraps around the relay and the holder. A strong, beefy zip tie will press all parts together so they cannot come apart. As a result, the relay is not experiencing peaks of mechanical shocks. Instead, the relay can move a bit, but stays fixed to the frame. Just as the mechanical engineer wanted it, but hopefully in a more rigid way. So, now I have all I need. Let's mount it on the Vespa PX. That's a little bit too loose. Oh good. One more click on the zip tie. Now it is tight enough. I'm sure this will last. And as the final step, I will cut the zip tie end off. Look at that. I really like the solution. It wouldn't win the design award, of course, but it is a simple DIY solution that will last longer than the last spare part. Now I can reassemble the PX. First of all, the left side cover. Then the left crash bar. Look, I also use a strap from the tire tube to keep the tool bag compressed. It's a really useful material. If you are not already an appreciated subscriber, you now have the chance to. Write a nice comment, give a thumbs up and check out my product links to support the channel. For details, please have a look in the video description. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.